Hi, it's Adreset, and today I'll show you how to fix battery drain problem on DOOGEE Note 56 Pro. So first, go into the settings on your phone, then find the battery, and here we have the battery usage that you can check how much battery you're using per day since full charge. Then you have the battery saver. Enable the battery saver. You can also schedule it and turn off at 90% when you plug it to the charger. I will disable the battery saver right now because, as you could see, it enables some features that I want to show you how to enable manually. So now go into the display right here. Brightness level, lower the brightness level or just use the adaptive brightness. Then dark theme, enable. Screen timeout, shorten this time to around a minute. Scroll from the top and disable every feature you're not currently using, for example Wi-Fi, Bluetooth or NFC. Thanks for watching, don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next one.